Planning to do your master's abroad? Wondering what's the process like? Let's try to understand that in detail. In order to apply to universities abroad, there are two main components. One is your test prep, another is your profile. If we talk about the weightage of both the elements, the test preparation has 25% weightage, while your profile has 75% weightage. Now, the universities are interested in knowing who you are. That's why they give so much weightage to your profile. What is included in your profile? So, in order to understand you as a person, they require certain documents from you. They will ask for a statement of purpose, that's an SOP. They'll ask for a letter of recommendation. They'll ask to write you an essay. They'll ask to make a resume. Every country has a different resume format. Every college has a different requirement when it comes to your statement of purpose. So, it is very important to understand yourself in order to apply for these universities, because it is a make or break document for you. Out of 75%, 40% weightage is going to be given to your statement of purpose. Your statement of purpose is your life story. Whatever that you have done in your life has to be incorporated in that. Now, what is that these universities look for in your SOP? The universities in your SOP look for 4 main qualities: leadership, team building, self-motivation, and your contributor profile. Let's try to understand all of them in detail. First, leadership. If we talk about leadership, that does not necessarily mean that you should have a leadership position, you should be head of a club or committee. It simply means that you should have a drive to take initiatives. What kind of initiatives that you have taken in your life that has helped you to bring about a positive change in your professional, in your education, or your personal life. So, certain initiatives what you have taken should be part of your SOP. Second, your team building activities. Now, you as an individual will be going to a different country. You are going outside of your comfort zone. So they want to understand how well you adapt, how well you gel in with different background and different diversities, because students abroad will be coming from different mindsets, they'll be coming from different diversities, so they want to understand how well you will be able to adjust over there. So those elements should also be part of your statement of purpose. Point number 3, your self-motivation. This is one of the most important points that they are looking for in your profile. Self-motivation means what are the things that you do beyond your education. If you're a working professional, what are the things that you do beyond your working hours? Everyone goes to a college from 10 to 2. Everyone works in office from 9 to 5. What makes you different? What are your hobbies? What are the things that you have done to upgrade yourself? So they are interested to know that. Whether you do cycling, whether you do swimming, whether you do photography, or even if you're interested in cooking, all these elements will play a very important and a crucial role. The more training and certifications you do, it is going to be more beneficial for you, because it's all about storytelling. It's all about how you bring in those elements in your life that will set you apart in the admission and the application process. That's why self-motivation is one of the key elements that they always look at. Fourth, and the last and the most important element they would like to see in your profile is contributor profile. What does contributor profile means? It's the social work that you do. What are the community services that you do? What kind of NGOs that you are associated with? The more amount of efforts you send and give to the society, the higher the weightage is going to be for you to being selected for that particular institute. Be very mindful that universities abroad are very interested in your social profile as well. How you give back to the society is one of the biggest elements that they will always look into your profile. Now we know the 4 qualities that universities abroad look for in your SOP. Let's try to understand another 2 elements which are very crucial to make sure that you have a stellar SOP. First is a recency factor, second is the consistency factor. Now, the universities know that you are applying for them. Universities know their requirement, so that's why they would definitely factor in the recency factor. How recently you have done all those things and how consistently you have accomplished all those things. So there has to be a perfect mix of both of them that will help you to stand apart from any of the competition you have while applying to any universities abroad. Applying abroad is a thorough and a very interesting process. It helps you understand yourself as a better individual. It helps you to evolve as an individual. That's why at IMS International, we help you in the entire process. We have a dedicated team of consultants who help you to understand yourself better. We do a student immersion plan wherein we understand your entire life's journey. We do your SWOT analysis, we understand your strengths, we understand your weaknesses, we understand what opportunities lie ahead of you. Also, we factor in the most important element, that is you. That means that what are the aspirations that you have, which are the programs that you want to go. So factoring in all these elements together, we help you shortlist the perfect program for you that will help you in your career as well. And along with that, we provide you the profile building tips that are required to be selected to these colleges. We help you out in the entire documentation process. We help you with your SOPs, your LORs, your resumes, and in order to get transcripts as well, we provide you all the services that are required. And this we do for all the colleges that you are willing to apply. Don't think much. Get in touch with us today so that we can help you understand your profile better and also help you understand which is the program that you can apply to. Click the link in the description and we will be there to help you to select the best college and the best program for you. Happy learning!